the giant that rebuilt Earth, the Vredefort Impact Crater, South Africa. 2 billion years ago, during the Orosirian period of the Paleoproterozoic era, the heavens collapsed upon the primordial Kopval Craton. A massive bolide, traveling with unthinkable kinetic energy, punched through 10 kilometers of the Earth's crust in a fraction of a second before exploding under the sheer pressure of its own momentum. The result was the Vredefort Dome, the world's oldest and largest known astrobleme. This 2.023 billion-year-old planetary scar represents the single greatest energy release event in Earth's history, a cataclysm that did more than merely crater the surface. It effectively rebuilt the architecture of the world we inhabit today. While the Chicxulub impact, the event that ended the Cretaceous period, enjoys greater cinematic fame, recent stratigraphic simulations from the University of Rochester reveal that the Vredefort impactor was a far more formidable titan. Previous scientific consensus estimated the asteroid at 15 kilometers in diameter, but updated models suggest a behemoth measuring between 20 and 25 kilometers wide. This cosmic heavyweight struck the Earth at a velocity of 15 to 20 kilometers per second. The energy unleashed was staggering, 5,000 times more powerful than the Hiroshima bomb, generating a seismic event measuring 14 on the Richter scale, 100,000 times more powerful than any earthquake in human record. The Vredefort Dome is more than a depression. It is a vertical time machine that provides an unprecedented view into the planet's viscera. Upon impact, the Earth's crust behaved like a fluid, momentarily compressing before a violent rebound occurred. This central uplift was so powerful that it flipped a 25-kilometer thick section of the crust on its side, effectively turning the Earth's stratigraphic record into a horizontal book. This unique geological profile makes Vredefort the only place on the planet where a full crustal cross-section below the crater floor is accessible to human study. Because these rocks preserve a record of 1/3 of Earth's total history, spanning from 3,200 to 2,000 million years ago, they offer crucial insights into the formation of the first continents. Thousands of years ago, the Khoisan people, South Africa's first peoples, recognized the extraordinary nature of this landscape, transforming it into a site of profound spiritual significance. Archaeologists have identified 8,000-year-old petroglyphs of hippo, horse, and rhino carved into the red stone. The Vredefort cataclysm is the primary reason South Africa's modern economy exists. The impact occurred in the vicinity of the Witwatersrand Basin, where the world's most significant gold-bearing layers, the Witwatersrand supergroup, had been deposited hundreds of millions of years earlier. The force of the collision essentially overturned and buried these gold-bearing reefs, forcing them deep into the Earth and shielding them with protective layers of volcanic rock and sediment. Had the asteroid missed, these reefs would have remained near the surface, where 2 billion years of erosion would have stripped the gold away and washed it into the sea long before the first prospector arrived.